Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I got a few projects going on. Oh, by the way, if you want to make your own electricity for your indoor garden, click on the links down below. But right now, looking at the wood. I went to the city compost area. I got more in the van, got more down here. All this stuff over here is old and soaked. It's just wet. This stuff is a little bit drier. I got to get to this here soon. I found 2 bales of straw out there, which this is going to be the garden. So I got a layer of leaves, lots of leaves. Under that is wood chips. Now you see straw on top. I'll get some more leaves on there here pretty soon. I still got plenty of time to rake all that up over there. I got to chop all this up. And that door is supposed to be a shelf, but it didn't happen yet. And all this needs to be cut up. Now I don't have a traditional chainsaw. I have an electric chainsaw. Several reasons. 1, I'm in the city. 2, if the power goes out, I have 25 solar panels. But anyway, this is going to be cleaned up. I got a rack in not too long ago, so this is all soaked. So it's drying right now. I got a fire going. I'm going to be in here for a while, cleaning up the wood pile and getting things taken care of. Didn't do the chicken coop yet. It's sitting. It's waiting. It's waiting for a nice sunny day. But yeah, we got to get the garage gym cleaned up here too. But another one of today's projects, when it got really cold out, I had to take the pool. It was too bright. I took the pool pump out, immediately stuck it in here because I was just swamped. Even though I have tons of half days left, but I don't know if that's frozen in there. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to wait till the garage is warmed up later on and just keep stepping over it. But I'll get it drained. Get that ready. I need to take the filter out, dump it upside down over here off the weights maybe, and let it all drain out and dry. Get that stored for winter time. One thing after another. It never ends. But you gotta love it. You gotta like it. And I think I'm gonna go to the gym. I need to get back in shape. I'm 54. I need to get back in shape. All right, y'all get your grind on and have a nice sunny day.